Leaking valve on an Inground sprinkler system. Valves control the flow of water from the main supply line to the rest of the sprinkler system. Each valve controls one zone. Valves are attached to the supply pipe by screwing them into pipe threads on top of the supply line. Sometimes this connection can become loose or otherwise lose its watertight seal, leading to leaks. It's possible to remove the valves, apply a watertight seal, and reinstall them to stop the leaks in their tracks. Things you'll need: work gloves, Teflon tape, plumber's tape. Pull open the sprinkler control box where the manifold is located. Turn on the sprinkler system and identify the valve with the leak. Turn off the sprinkler system. Unscrew the leaky valve by turning the quick connector on the base counterclockwise until the valve pulls free. If the valve does not have a quick connector, turn the entire valve counterclockwise. Apply a layer of Teflon tape to the threads of the exposed pipe threads. Wrap the tape around the threads at least twice. The tape lubricates the threads and makes a watertight seal. Screw the valve back onto the base by turning the valve or the quick connect base clockwise until tight. Run the sprinklers to check the seal.